Hello, and welcome to today's video. I'm excited to talk about the 6 habits that can help you become a multi-millionaire by the age of 21. I mean, who doesn't want to be a millionaire before they can even legally drink? These habits have been tried and tested by successful people who have achieved financial freedom early in their lives, so you know they're legit. Now, before we dive into these habits, let me just say that becoming a millionaire at 21 is not a walk in the park. It requires hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of luck. But with the right mindset and these 6 habits, you'll be on your way to the top. So, let's get started. Goal setting. The holy grail of success. You can't achieve anything without setting goals. It's like trying to drive to a new destination without a GPS. You'll just end up lost and frustrated. So, to become a multi-millionaire by 21, you need to set some goals. And not just any goals, but realistic, specific, and measurable goals. I mean, you can't just say, I want to be a millionaire, and expect it to happen magically. You need to break it down into smaller, achievable goals that will lead you to the big bucks. Write your goals down and review them daily. Put them on sticky notes and plaster them all over your room if you have to. This habit will keep you focused and motivated towards achieving your financial goals. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to buy a room big enough to fit all those sticky notes. So, let's get to goal setting. Saving and investing. The bread and butter of financial success. You can't become a multi-millionaire by 21 without developing the habit of saving and investing early on in life. It's like trying to win a marathon without running a single mile. Start small and gradually increase your savings as you earn more. It's like building a muscle. You have to start with light weights and gradually increase the weight to see results. And make sure to invest in a diversified portfolio, including stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. Don't put all your eggs in one basket unless you want to end up with an omelet. Remember, the key to saving and investing is consistency. It's like brushing your teeth. You have to do it every day to see results. So, start saving and investing today, and one day you'll wake up to a bank account with more zeros than you can count. Let's get to saving and investing. Continuous learning. The fuel to keep the success engine running. You can't become a multi-millionaire by 21 without constantly learning and developing new skills. It's like trying to win a game of chess without knowing how the pieces move. Read books, attend seminars, and watch online courses to enhance your knowledge and expertise. It's like going to the gym for your brain. You have to exercise it to see results. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make, and the more opportunities you'll have. Plus, learning is fun. It's like exploring a new world full of possibilities. So, grab a book, attend a seminar, or watch an online course, and let the learning begin. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one writing the books and teaching the seminars. Let's get to continuous learning. Networking. The social butterfly of success. You can't become a multi-millionaire by 21 without building relationships with like-minded people. It's like trying to start a party without any guests. Attend conferences, join clubs, and participate in online forums to meet people who share similar interests and goals. It's like going to a mixer, but for your career. Networking will not only help you gain new insights, but it can also lead to potential business opportunities. Who knows, maybe your next business partner or investor is just a handshake away. Plus, networking can be fun. It's like going on a first date, but without the awkward silences. So, put on your socializing shoes and start networking. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one throwing the party. Let's get to networking. Time management. The captain of the success ship. You can't become a multi-millionaire by 21 without managing your time effectively. It's like trying to navigate a ship without a compass. Create a daily schedule and prioritize your tasks based on their importance. It's like planning a trip. You have to know where you're going and what you need to get there. Avoid wasting time on unnecessary activities and focus on the ones that will help you achieve your goals. It's like packing your bags. You have to bring the essentials, but leave the non-essentials behind. Remember, time is the most valuable asset you have. It's like a bank account. You have to spend it wisely to see returns. So, start managing your time effectively today, and one day you'll be able to buy all the time in the world. Let's get to time management. Perseverance. The never give up attitude of success. You can't become a multi-millionaire by 21 without developing a strong mindset and pushing through setbacks and failures. It's like trying to climb Mount Everest without breaking a sweat. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's like a slow cooker. You have to let it simmer to get the best results. Setbacks and failures are a part of the journey. It's like getting lost on a road trip. It happens, but you have to keep going to reach your destination. Develop a strong mindset and don't give up on your dreams. It's like a superhero cape. It gives you the power to overcome any obstacle. Remember, perseverance is the key to success. It's like a marathon. You have to keep running even when your legs feel like jelly. So, start developing your perseverance today, and one day you'll cross the finish line to financial freedom. Ah, my fellow future multimillionaires, we've come to the end of the video. But don't fret, the journey to financial freedom is just beginning. Remember, success in business requires hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of humor. It's like making a delicious cake. You need the right ingredients to get the sweetest results. So, start developing these 6 habits today and watch your wealth grow faster than a weed on steroids. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, my business-savvy friends. We're on a mission to become the first AI channel to reach 1 million subscribers, and we need your help to make it happen. It's like a game of Monopoly. The more players we have, the more fun it is. By subscribing to our channel, you'll get the latest tips and tricks on how to grow your business while having a good laugh. We believe that business doesn't have to be boring, and we're here to prove it. So, let's make business fun again, one subscriber at a time. Thanks for watching, my fellow entrepreneurs, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay funny, stay focused, and stay rich.